Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping quickly. Rinse 2 cups of Waterleaf and trim out tough stems so the leaves cook evenly. Next, chop 1 onion and 2 garlic cloves. This builds the base flavor. Heat 1 tablespoon oil in a medium saucepan, then sweat the aromatics for 3–5 minutes until soft. This mellows bitterness and unlocks sweetness. Once done, add 1 tsp salt to draw moisture from the onion and garlic. Make sure to scrape the pan to capture brown. Once aromatics are soft, add diced vegetables, 2 carrots and 1 potato for texture and starch. Sauté for 4–6 minutes to develop flavor. You want slight browning, not char. Then pour 4 cups of stock or water. Bring to a boil and reduce to a simmer for 15–20 minutes until tender. Make sure to add the Waterleaf in the last 3–5 minutes with 1 tsp seasoning so it wilts but keeps bright color. This timing preserves nutrients and avoids sliminess. To finish, taste and adjust seasoning. You can add a squeeze of lemon juice or a splash of vinegar to lift flavors. If you prefer body, pulse blend half the soup and stir back in so you keep texture. Garnish with chopped herbs or a drizzle of oil. If the soup tastes bitter, simmer for 5 minutes with a peeled potato or add a small pinch of sugar. This balances bitterness without masking the Waterleaf's character. Serve hot and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.